Welcome to our updated guide on how to import contacts to Gmail on your Android device. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Gmail is a powerful tool for managing emails and contacts seamlessly on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. This will give you access to various account settings and options within your Google account. Tap on Manage your Google account to navigate to the comprehensive settings menu for your Google account. Here, you can manage different aspects of your account, including contacts and sharing preferences. Select People and Sharing from the menu options presented. This section allows you to control how you interact with your contacts and share information within your Google account. Within People and Sharing, tap on Contacts to access your contact list. Your contacts are essential for staying connected and organized in your communication. To import contacts, tap on Stay on Web and then swipe down to refresh the contact list to ensure you have the latest updates. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen to access the menu options. Select Import from the menu options presented. This will allow you to import contacts from an external file into your Gmail account. Choose the file containing the contacts you wish to import, then tap on Import to start the import process. This will add the selected contacts to your Gmail contact list seamlessly. By following these steps, you can easily import contacts to Gmail on your Android device, ensuring you have all your important contacts accessible within your Gmail account. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in successfully importing contacts to your Gmail account. Stay connected effortlessly with your contacts.